Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we will talk professional competencies of a mathematics teacher. According to Zakir Hussain, the teacher is indeed the architect of the future of the student. The teacher plays an important role in the system of education. Teachers are considered to be builders of nation. The influence of a teacher never stops. A teacher shapes the personality of the child. A teacher should try to present himself as an ideal example to the students and near some qualities. According to Rabindranath Tagore, teacher can never teach unless she is still learning himself or herself. Characteristics of a mathematics teacher. Skills and abilities to understand the teacher. Self-educational and teaching abilities. Capacity of adjustment and cooperation with the children. Teachers will have the power to work. He has or she has impartial nature. They have leadership power or leadership quality. They have feelings of common harmony. There are different qualities of a mathematics teacher, or we can say that there are different aspects in which a teacher should have qualities. That are the criterias: individual qualities, professional qualities, and social qualities. A teacher have interest in mathematics. They have positive attitude towards mathematics. They have knowledge of subject matter. They have knowledge of individual differences. They know about the different teaching methods. They have the power to know the difficulties of the students. Their presentation of subject matter should be great. They have inspiration to drill work. Good teachers are inborn, not made, but it is underlying fact that training and their self-experience also bring a great change in them. The teacher should participate enthusiastically in various school activities such as faculty meetings, students' projects, mathematics club, social events, school publications, excursions, educational fair, and educational quiz, etc. So, in individual qualities, a teacher must have interest in mathematics. They have positive attitude in mathematics. Their personality can be seen as a good teacher. They must be resourcefulness. They have self-confidence and patience. They must have good health in firm determination and emotional balance. In professional qualities, we see to promote the exercise work drill. That means they have the quality to promote the exercise work drill. They have knowledge of subject matter. They must have presentation of subject matter. Their knowledge of individual differences is good, and they must have the knowledge of different teaching methods. They have interest in research work and mathematics applications. They must have understanding of children's problem. In social qualities, a teacher must have the capacity to leadership. They must have social feelings. They must have impartial behavior. That means a teacher should not be impartial. Justice loving. That means they must be loving justice, or they must be always be do justice for good fare. Professional teacher growth of mathematics. It is said, while no more of the professions is more important to the national welfare than any of the others, it is true that the achievements of all are dependent upon how efficiently a group performs its function. It helps him or her develop an alert, sensitive attitude to the advancing edge of human knowledge. It supplies him with facts whereby he can improve his own work. It raises the standards of education. It improves the condition of employment. It maintains security and integrity of the professional. Preparation of mathematics teacher before going to the class. It means a teacher should have prepared before going to the class. And what should be the preparation are as follows. The mathematics curriculum mainly includes different concepts, formulas, hypothesis theorem and subject matter based on relations. They must have previous knowledge and experience of the children. Selection of teaching aids and required apparatus. Selection of appropriate examples. Preparation of lesson plan and importance of drill work. In these areas, a teacher must be prepared before going to the class. Role of a mathematics teacher in improving the image of school. The image of a school refers to the tendency and reaction of society towards the different programmers of school. Image of a school depends upon leadership of head teacher, that means principal, cooperative feelings among teachers and other staff members and good achievements of students. A mathematics teacher school be punctual so as to make the students punctual. She should teach in the class according to the timetable. She give the students sufficient classwork or homework and drill work. She should develop in the students the tendency of discipline. Code of ethics of a mathematics teacher. Teachers' relation with pupils, professional colleagues, teachers' professional security and professional conduct. It depends on two factors, security and integrity and ideal of service. So we can conclude that the present Indian society needs the teacher education program to produce such trained prospective who will not only fulfill the manpower requirements but also acquire necessary insight and skill for future shocks. To keep with the social, economic and industrial change, the teacher must be a good communicator, efficient organizer and democratic group leader. In such changing scenario, the role of teacher will be more or a facilitator of learning than imparting the knowledge of mathematics. So, this is the professional qualities or professional competencies of a good mathematics teacher. Thank you so much.